Guys, today I'm going to show you how to give permission to the microphone in your Microsoft Edge browser. So head over to Microsoft Edge, open your tab, click on the three dots, head over to Settings, now head over to Privacy Search and Services, click on Site Permissions, and head over to All Permissions, click on Microphone, make sure this is duplicate on, so this will ask you before giving access to your Microsoft microphone. Here, choose the microphone tool that you have on your PC that is successfully connected, and here make sure to add any websites that they are blocked to access your microphone. And here you will find the websites that are allowed to use your microphone. So do always double check and it will be blocked if turned it off. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share.